In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Stubhub tickets to someone else. The first thing to know is that Stubhub ticket transfers are usually completed through the original ticket delivery platform, not always directly inside Stubhub itself. So if your tickets were delivered through a service like Ticketmaster or AXS, that's the app or website you'll need to open first. Start by going to the app or website where the tickets were actually delivered. Once you're there, sign in using the same account that originally received those tickets. This part is important because if you log into a different account, you may not see the event or the transfer option at all. After signing in, head to the section labeled My Tickets or My Events. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the platform, but it will usually be easy to find from the main account area. From there, select the event for the tickets you want to transfer so you can open the ticket details page. Next, check whether ticket transfer is available. Look for a button that says transfer. If you see it, that means the tickets can most likely be sent to someone else. If the transfer button is missing, unavailable, or grayed out, that usually means the event organizer or venue has restricted transfers for that event. In that case, you may need to wait, since some transfers are only enabled closer to the event date. If the transfer option is available, tap transfer to begin. You'll then choose the specific ticket or tickets you want to send. Be careful here, especially if you bought multiple seats, because you'll want to make sure you're selecting the correct ones. After selecting the tickets, enter the recipient's name or email address if the platform asks for it. Take a moment to review everything before submitting. Double check that the event, ticket quantity, and recipient information are all correct, since mistakes can delay the process. When everything looks good, tap transfer or send to complete it. Once the transfer is submitted, the recipient will receive an email or notification with instructions. They'll need to follow those steps to accept the tickets. After they accept, the tickets should appear in their own ticketing account. One final tip: if the recipient says they haven't received anything, ask them to check their spam or junk folder and confirm they're using the correct account. And that's how to transfer Stubhub tickets to someone else quickly and correctly.